Hi friends, myself Rahul Kumar Malik. First of all, welcome to my video channels. Today we will learn a new chapter whose name is Profit and Loss. Okay students, so before starting these chapters, we must have some idea about percentage. Already we have completed the chapter percentage, and if you have some doubt or if you have not seen that video, then my request is first watch that video, because if you don't know about percentage, then it is too difficult to understand the profit and loss. Okay students, so let's start a new chapter, profit and loss. Before this starting these chapters, we must have some knowledge about the cost price and selling price. What is the meaning of cost price and what is the meaning of selling price? So first of all, starting from the definition. So first of all, cost price, the price at which an article can be purchased. Okay, and it is written as CP, that means cost price. Okay student, that means if we brought an article in 300 rupees, that means the cost price of that article is 300 rupees, and we can say that CP of that article is 300 rupees. Similarly, if we buy an article in 500 rupees, then we can say that the cost price of that article is 500 rupees. That means CP of that article is 500 rupees simply. Now the selling price. The price at which an can be sold. The price at which we sold the article is known as the selling price. Yes or no? So suppose we sell that article, we sell an article in 500 rupees. That means the selling price of that article is 500 rupees. One more thing very important students, if I am selling some articles, if I am selling an object, then definitely someone is buying it. So that amount is a selling price for me, but who is buying that product, that price is cost price for that persons. Okay, so it is written as selling price. Important thing, suppose we will write here for example, if A sold an object to B in 500 rupees, then the selling price of the object for A is 500. Okay, but that object is brought by B, so that means B bought that object in 500 rupees. So, and the cost price of the object for B is equal to 500 rupees. Same things, 500 is selling price as well as 500 is cost price. This may be create a confusion, but here you have to see that A sold that object, so this amount is the selling price for A. Okay, similarly B bought that object, that means this price is the cost price for B. Okay, simple things. Now we'll learn about profit and loss. What is the meaning of profit and what is the meaning of loss? So before profit and loss, we must clear about the cost price and selling price. Simply we can say that at the price at which we are buying some product is cost price for us. Okay, and the price at which we are selling that a product is known as the selling price of that product for us. Okay students, now profit and loss. Profit. First of all, we definitely everybody know that what is profit and what is loss. So definition wise, how can we say that that product we have got some profit or we have got some loss? If mathematically we have to describe these things, if so what is the definition? If cost price is less than selling price, that means here cost price is less and selling price is more, then we can mathematically we can say that simply if the cost price is less than selling price, then profit occurs. Happen. And if SP is less than CP, then loss happen. Okay, so what is the meaning of these things? Suppose, for an example, if we if the cost price of an article is 300 rupees and the selling price of that article is 500 rupees, that means the cost price is 300 and the selling price is 500. Here we can see that the cost price is less than the selling price. That means the selling price is more than the cost price. If the selling price is more than the cost price, then definitely in this case profit has occurs. And if suppose for taking some other example, if the cost price of the article is 1000 rupees and if we sold that article in 800 rupees, that means we have occurred some loss, because here cost price is 1000 rupees and the selling price is 800 rupees. That means here we can say that the cost price is greater than the selling price, and here selling price is less than the cost price. That means loss occurs. So now you will read the formula of cost the formula of the profit and the formula of loss. So before starting the formula, we must have to know what is cost price, what is selling price, and what is profit and what is loss. Now some formulas. Okay, so profit equal to how much? When profit happens, when selling price is greater than the cost price. That means when SP is more than cost CP. So profit, the formula of profit is SP minus CP. Understood or not? The formula of the profit is equal to SP minus CP. And how can we, in this formula, we can find out another some formula. What are the formula? So we can write that SP is equals to cost price plus profit, and the cost price is equals to SP minus profit. Yes or no? Suppose I am writing here these things. So it is the main formula, and from this formula we can write that SP selling price is equals to profit plus cost price, and cost price is equals to selling price minus profit. Same one formula, from this formula we can derive this formulas. Simply I am making a diagram here. Okay, here you can see that, mind it, which one is greater in this profit, selling price and cost price. We know that when profit happens, when the selling price is more than the cost price, that means here selling price is greater things. So we have to write here selling price. Okay, and here cost price and here profit. Okay students, here that means subtractions, here subtraction and here additions. Look here students, how can you find out? If we want to find out the formula for the cost price, then look here, cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Suppose we want to find out the profit, what is the formula? Selling price minus cost price. If we want to find out the selling price, then cost price plus profit. Understood, dear student? So here we have to make a diagram of which selling price, which the greater quantity will be at the up position, okay, and two smaller things will be at the down positions, okay, and these things here plus signs and here one minus, again one minus. So selling price equal to cost price plus profit. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and here cost price equal to selling price minus profit. In this diagram easily you can understand. Okay students, now another one formula we can derive here. So what is the profit percentage? So profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. This is very important things, students. So in case of loss or in case of profit, always the profit and loss is depend upon cost price. You must have to know the cost, the profit or the loss. Both things are depend upon the cost price. So while we are calculating the profit percentage, the formula will be the profit divided by cost price into 100. Okay students, now we will think about loss. Okay, so what is the formula of loss? We know that when loss happen, here SP is greater than CP. When loss happen when cost price is greater than selling price. Okay student, so what is the formula of loss? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Okay student, similarly from these equations, this is the main formula, and here also we can write that this is main formula. So in this, from this formula we can derive that cost price is equals to how much? Loss plus selling price, and also we can write that selling price is equal to how much? Cost price minus loss. Understood student? Now here also we can make a diagram here. Okay, so here we have to, which one will be at these positions, we will keep which one? The greater one. Here loss, when loss happens? When cost price is greater than selling price. That means here greater thing is cost price. So here will be here cost price. And two small things is, one is loss and another one is selling price. So again this is minus and this is minus. Make two arrow mark here and this is plus. Same thing. So how can you find out the cost price? Cost price will be loss plus SP. And how can you find out the SP? SP equal to cost price minus loss. And how can you find out the loss? Cost price minus selling price. Okay student? I think in this way you can clear your doubts or you can make the formulas. Now last formula in the loss, what is loss percentage? Loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. Already we have told that the profit as well as loss percentage, the profit percentage as well as loss percentage, both are depend upon the cost price. So the formula of the profit is profit divided by cost price into 100, and similarly the loss percentage is loss divided by cost price into 100. Okay student, these are the formulas, and now we will do some questions regarding this profit and loss and profit percentage as well as loss percentage. Now student, example 1, by suppose simple questions. First of all we will give you some simple questions. If cost price of an article is 500 and selling price of the article is 700, then find profit and profit percentage. Okay, student. Here simply we can see that the cost price is 500 and selling price is 700. Here we can write that cost price equal to 500 and selling price equal to 700. So simply we can that selling price is greater than cost price. So what happened? Definitely profit will happen. So we have to find out the profit. What is the formula of profit? Profit equal to selling price minus cost price, which is equal to 700 minus 500 equal to 200. Yes or no? And now we have to find out the profit percentage. Profit percentage equal to, what is the formula? Profit by cost price into 100, which is equals to, what is the amount of profit? 200 divided by, what is the cost price? 500 into 100. So cancelled and it is known as 40. So profit percentage equal to, profit equal to 40%. Okay, simple, student. Now again some another questions. By selling an article in 1000 rupees, I mean losses 300 rupees. Then find loss percentage. Okay, student. Here it is given that 1000 rupees is the selling price of an article and losses is given 300, but here cost price is not given. That means first of all we have to find out the cost price and then we have to find out the loss percentage. Okay, student. So here we can write here selling price equal to how much? 1000 rupees and loss equal to how much? 300 rupees. So cost price. So in the case of loss, so how can we find out the cost price? Here cost price is greater than the selling price. That means cost price equal to selling price plus loss, which is equals to, implies that cost price is equals to how much? 1000 plus loss equal to 300, which is equals to 1300. So this is known as the cost price. Now we will find out the loss percentage. So loss percentage equal to loss by cost price into 100, which is equals to 300 divided by 1300 into 100. So this is 100 and cancels. 300 by 13. In percentage we can find out 13 2s are 26, then 440, 13 3s are 39. So about 2.3%. Okay, students. Some other example. Suppose a man buy two brought two mobile in 1500 and 2000 rupees. Okay, and sold them at 1800 and 2500 rupees. Then find the net. Suppose we will write here 1900. Then find the net profit or loss and find it in percentage. Okay, students. So here cost price of two mobile is given 1500 and 2000 rupees. Okay, and sold one at 1800 rupees and another one is 1900 rupees. Understood, student? then what is the net profit or net loss? So total, how can we find out the profit and loss? When we find out the total cost price, and we have to find out the total selling price, and we have to see that cost price, the total cost price is greater than the total selling price, or total cost price is less than the total selling price, then we can judge that profit happens or loss happens. Then we can convert it into percentage. So first of all, we have to find out total cost price, which is equals to 1900 plus 1800, which is equals to 23700, 3700. Similarly, total selling price is equals to how much? So sorry student. Total cost price is equals to how much? 1500 plus 2000, which is equal to 3500. Okay, and total selling price equal to 1800 plus 1900 equal to 3700. Here we can say that cost price is 3500 and selling price equal to 3700. That means cost price is the cost price is less than selling price. Then what will happen? Then profit happens. Then profit happen. So what is the formula of profit? So we will now find out. Then profit equal to how much? Selling price minus cost price, which is equals to how much? 3700 minus 3500, which is equals to 200. Now we have to find it in percentage. So profit percentage equal to 200. First of all we have to write the formula. Profit by cost price into 100, which is equals to 200 by cost price is equal to 3500 into 100. So it will cancel. So you can write that 5 ja 40, 5 ja 7. The result is 5.5%. Understood, student? So in this way we can find out the profit percentage or loss percentage. Now some critical questions. By selling an article in 800 rupees, 800 rupees MN an article. Suppose we have just changed the questions. By selling two articles in 1500 rupees. 1500, here it is 1500. 1500 rupees MN again got the profit of 25% in one and 25% loss in other. Then find the net profit or loss, and also find it in percentage. Here student, I have collected these questions from different books. Okay, so here I have added 2 or 3 questions one time so that you can clear your fundamentals. Okay, so look here student, by selling 2 articles in 1500 rupees, so the price of 2 articles, one article is equals to 1500 and the another selling price of another article is also 1500 rupees each. You can write here each. Okay, so that means both the selling price of both article is 1500 rupees, but the cost price is not given, but it is given that in one article he has got 25% profit and in another article he has got 25% loss, and you have to now find out the total loss or total profit. So first of all, how can we find out the main has got the net profit or net loss? So that's why we have to first find out the total cost price, but we don't know what is the cost price of each articles or one article or two articles. Okay student, so first of all we have to find out the cost price of both articles, then we can judge that main has got the profit or loss. So this is a very important question. So for first articles, okay, here it is given that selling price equal to 1500 and loss percentage is given. Loss percentage equal to how much? 25%. Okay student, so we have to find out. Already I have told you that the loss percentage or the gain percentage is depend upon only the cost price. So, and here cost price is not given. That's why we have to first take the cost price be X. Okay student, so here it is given in first price 25% profit, na? Okay, so and profit 25%. So here let cost price of the article equal to X rupees. Okay, so here it is only given that it has profit occurs, so that means cost price, so profit equal to how much? The selling price minus cost price, which is equals to 1500 minus X, and profit percentage equal to profit by cost price into 100. Okay, which is equals to profit equal to how much? 1500 minus X by cost price equal to how much? X is equal into 100. But it is given that profit equal to how much? 25%, implies that we can write that 25%. So 25 is equals to 1500 minus X by X into 100. Yes or no? So we can write here 25 implies that what we can write 25X is equals to how much? 1500 minus X into 100, which is equals to 1500 again 200 minus 100X. Yes or no? Implies that now 25X plus 100X is equals to 150000. Okay students, now implies that here what is the result? 125 X is equals to 15000, implies that X is equals to 150000 divided by 125. The result is how much? 1200. So X is here 1200 rupees. So cost price of first article is 1200 rupees. Okay student, now we have to find out the cost price of the second articles. In second articles, the selling price equal to same 1500 and loss percentage equal to 25%. That's why here also the cost price is not given, but we know that the loss percentage is always depend upon the cost price. So let the cost price of article equal to, here we have to take y. Okay, so loss equal to, loss, what is the formula of loss? Loss equal to the cost price minus selling price. So y minus selling price equal to 1500 rupees. Okay, and loss percentage equal to loss divided by cost price into 100, which is equals to y minus 1500 divided by y into 100. But it is given that loss percentage is equal to how much? 25%, implies that y minus 1500 by y into 100 is equals to 25. That means when we solve these things, y 100y, how can we solve these things? Y minus 1500 into 100 is equals to 25y. Okay, students? Now again we have to solve. We are just writing these things. This is the cost price. Okay, students? Now what is the solution of these things? 100y minus 150000 is equals to 25y. Implies that 100y minus 25y is equals to 150000. Implies that this is how much? 75y is equals to 150000. Implies that y is equals to how much? 150000 by 75. The result is 2000 rupees. Yes or no? So we can write that the cost price of second article is equals to 2000 rupees. So here we have to we have got the cost price of both articles and we have the selling price of both articles. Now what we will do? So total cost price equal to 1200 plus 2000 is equals to 3200 rupees. Okay, and the total selling price equal to 1500 plus 1500 is equal to 3000 rupees. Okay, here clearly we can see that the selling price is less than the cost price. So we can write that selling price is selling price is less than cost price. So what will happen? Loss happen. Loss happened. So now we have to find out what is the amount of loss and then loss percentage. Okay, student? Now what we have to do? So we have got the loss. So loss equal to total selling price minus total cost price. Sorry, we have done a mistake. In the loss equal to total cost price minus total selling price is equal to how much? Total cost price equal to how much? 3200 minus total selling price equal to 3000 rupees. The result equal to 200. Okay, this is the amount of loss. Now we have to convert this loss in percentage. So loss percentage is equals to how much? Loss by cost price into 100, which is equals to 200 divided by cost price. What is the total cost price? 3200 into 100. So result is how much? You can see that 2020 cancelled and 200 by 32. So 200 by 32 means this is 825 and 84. So 25 by 4, which is equal to 61 by 4 percentage. Okay, so net loss equal to 200 rupees and loss percentage equal to how much? 61 by 4 percentage. Okay, students? In this way, we can find out. So here we have done some questions regarding profit and loss and profit percentage and loss percentage. First of all, student, you must have to clear about the namings like profit, loss, selling price and cost price. Okay, some meaning as well as definitions. Then you have to learn the formula and then go to do some questions. Okay students, so I have completed this chapter profit and loss, and I have done also some questions in your book, and if now you can do some do the questions of your book, and please do it. And if any type of problem arise, then you can contact me in this number. This is my mobile number, and you can also contact me in the comment box. You can give some doubt. If you have some doubt or if you have some problems, then you can comment me in my comment box. Okay students, so try to give some comments if you like this video, if you not like this video, or if you need some different type of things, then also you can comment me. Okay students, so thank you for watching my video. Bye.